Okay, here again we found another bunch of steam alone for parts fix and repair. Yeah, so most of these are, like I say, everything is for parts and repair. These parts are really good actually. They do the steam thing. Oh man, I wish I could have the time to continue making. I could make actually a steam Percy, steam alone Percy or something like that. Yeah, these are good for parts. So if you want to make a custom steam engine, this actually is the ones to go. The parts. Now, none of these are complete. There are some motors. All these come with a corrosion or missing parts. Like I say, for parts, fix or repair, steam alone, only steam alone. This one is, yeah, I found everything. As you can see, I just picked the ones I just want to fix, and then I always used to store them. So everything I'm selling, check the link in the description. I'm posting every day, guys, every day.